Amazon to accept cryptocurrency payment? The payments team at Amazon.com Incorporated is looking at allowing users to pay for their orders with cryptocurrencies, a move that is unsettling the digital currency markets. You will use your domain experience in blockchain, distributed ledger, central bank digital currencies, and cryptocurrency to establish the case for the capabilities that should be developed. You will collaborate closely with Amazon teams, including AWS, to establish the roadmap, which will include the customer experience, technological strategy and capabilities, and launch plan. Although the company does not now accept cryptocurrency payments, it does sell a product that does. Amazon CEO Jassy remarked at an event a few years ago that the company was closely tracking blockchain advancements but was skeptical of the technology at the time. We don't yet see a lot of realistic use cases for blockchain that are much larger than using a distributed ledger, Jassy, who led AWS at the time, said at a press conference at a business event in 2017. We don't build technology because we think it's nice, we build it because we believe it will help us address a customer problem and that establishing that service is the best approach to do so.